Wars, Episode 2. Here we go. In the booth, I have Mike.
Mike, yes.
And Angel.
Yep.
Both members of the military. Where are you out of?
Tyndall Air Force Base, Florida.
Tyndall as well.
Same. Welding for how long?
21 years in December.
21 years. And yourself?
13.
13 years. All right, so these guys weld every single day on probably pretty important stuff for the U.S. military, right? Not fun, creative things. Good news, no rules. No rules at all in Spark Wars. All right, so you saw the previous competitors.
Yep.
Gonna get material, turn it into Thor's Hammer, or really anything else you can dream of. 20 minutes on the clock. Go into your welding booth, get ready. I'll get you your raw material, and then we'll get ready to start. Angel, you ready? Are we ready? And start now! Up, put your hammers down, step away from your welding station. This episode of Spark Wars is finished. All right, time to judge. All right, let's go over here first. Here we go. Going over here. Check out this Spark Wars. Oh, look at this. So we got lightning bolt things. Ooh, fully welded all the way around. How hot is? Oh, look at that. It's actually. Okay, all right, good. All right, that's that one. Let's check out the next one. Heading over to our next welding station. Okay. Next one. Oh, look at this. He's got, get in here, look. He added some additional lightning bolts. A T for Thor. Yep, okay. Yep, all right. All right, gentlemen, come on out here and we'll crown our winner. So, the winner of this episode of Spark Wars is Mike! All right, Mike gets the chain. Do you want to practice the stance? And you get a Sentinel A60 helmet.
Sweet.
Not that one, they're gonna ship one to you.
That's cool. I'll take it.
Congratulations, guys, good job. Good job, all right, good stuff, right on. And that's a wrap on Spark Wars.